Wooden hand planes are a valuable part of our history, and in fact this version cut grooves before the advent of the portable electric router. Now there's nothing so satisfying as creating a wood shaving with a hand plane, and everything depends on weight and size. Well, actually I bought this little beauty online recently and was deceived by the photograph. But for its size it has plenty of weight and will find a place in my workshop to occasionally and quickly make chamfers to take the edge off the workpiece. Thanks for watching.